Good morning, everyone. Previous class we had been learned that family welfare program, family planning program, social epidemiology, importance of population study in nursing. The next unit will be family and marriage. Before that, I would like to give important questions in previous unit. Review questions. Define following: population, demography, sex ratio, density of population, family size, optimum theory, population explosion, social epidemiology. Most wanted question is that population, demography, population explosion. Population explosion most important. List the following uses of study of population. This is mainly 2 mark question. Only 2 points is enough for answer. Relation between society and population. Demographic characteristics. Factors responsible for rapid population growth. Importance of population study in nursing. The examination sometimes asks specifically 2, 3, 4 like this. Sometimes ask generally. Next, evil effects and consequences of overpopulation. Need of population control. Methods of population control. Goals of family welfare program. Aim of social epidemiology. Theories of population. Determinants of population change. Difference: Malthus Neo-Malthusian theory. Society, population. Short notes: uses. Next, distribution of population in India. World population trend. Demographic characteristics. Population control measures. Most important, demography. Repeatedly asked in final exam. uses of study of population as well. Then population control. Then theories of population. Overpopulation, population explosion in India, its impact on health, family welfare program in India, social epidemiology, then essay on define population, discuss population explosion in India, its impact on health and population control measures. So this question also important, very most important, repeatedly asked in the final exam. Next we are going to next unit.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Aswini. Next unit, family and marriage. The study of family and marriage is interesting one. The reason is that we have been living in a family. Everyone like marriage. So this reason is that maximum of source of problems, healthcare problems, arise from the family. Also issues from the marriages. Reason why the family and marriage have been fulfill fundamental needs of the individuals. Primary needs, food, water, shelter, sex, maternity need, etc. Is any issues or any restrictions to achieve the goals of family create problems. So throughout this unit we are going to detail about what is meant by family and types, family problems, how to solve the family problems, then marriage, types of marriage, what are the marriage problems in India, marriage legislations, marriage act, and family health, role of nurse on family. These are the matters we will be learned in this unit. Look at this picture, wonderful picture. This is family, happier family, then marriage, a relationship, or we can see. First, introduction, first point. So this is only examination aspect. Every student should be follow this knowledge, and you should be write in the examinations. Simple notes this one. First point is important concept in sociology. The reason is that family is nucleus of society. All other components of societies are created by family members. For example, religion created by family. Next, theories of family and marriage. Explain about family, marriage, and social development and social issues. Various models explain about how to promote happier families, how to prevent the problems in the family, etc. Next point, health status of society is influenced by or determined by family and marriage. For example, food habit in family, culture of family, and as well as marriage patterns directly linked with health status of people. Next point regarding nursing. The study of family and marriage is fundamental for nursing. Nurses first assess the family of the client came from which type of family, then assess family relationship, family members, the care plan drawn, family tree, family members and their relationship. So the study of family and marriage is beneficial to greater care due to every client, which means family oriented care. Then detail about family. Meaning, term family derived from Latin. Familiar means group of people. Affiliated by consanguinity, affinity and co-residence, which means only one house, co-residence. This meaning is a family term derived from Latin. Define family is the biological social unit, husband, wife, children. In the examination, only one definition is enough. Look at this, family and marriage. Happier and healthier family. Next, nature of family. First, nature, universality. Family is universal phenomenon. Everywhere we can see family. American families, Indian families, this family is fundamental for society. Second, nature, emotional basis. The members of family have been emotionally attached with each other. Love and affection, husband, wife, children. Third one, limited size. The number of members in the family is very small comparatively other social institutions. Fourth one, format influence. Format means every functions have been formatted. For example, husband role, wife, parents, children, their relationship have been formatted. The nuclear position. The family is nucleus of social organization or nucleus of society, which means the family is primary one. All other institutions created by family members. Example, religion, educational institutions, economic, political, voluntary organizations are created by family members only or family only. Sixth one, responsibility of members. Duties and responsibilities have been defined informally. For example, husband responsibility, wife responsibility, like this. Seventh one, social regulation. Students, the family have been regulate the members of their own informally through family norms. For example, husband regulate wife control, social control, and wife can regulate husband. Parents regulate their own children, etc. So the fact is that the family have been controlled the whole society informally. Eighth one, permanent and temporary. The family is a permanent institution. difficult to dissolve. Reason is that every family members emotionally attached with each other. Temporary means some families. For example, if family disorganized, become temporary. But comparatively other social institutions, family is more permanent in our society. Then origin of family. Where family originated, we will plan after the one question I ask. Sharmi. Sophia. Jaflin Shaija.
Yes, sir.
Can you define family?
Family, the biological,
Yes.
social unit
Yes.
composed of husband, wife, and children.
Excellent. Thank you for your answer. Then origin of family. First origin. Regarding historical theory. According to this theory, the family originated from ancient period. Through historical evidence, we have, for example, Sindhu Valley civilization, Egypt, Egypt, mummies, pyramid, then Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These are the historical evidence shows that the family was originated from ancient period. Second theory, divine origin theory. This is a religious theory. Family was created by God. Holy Bible says that, God was created first family, Adam and Eve. As well as Holy Quran, Muslims, religion. First family is that Adam and Eve. But Hindu philosophy says that Brahma, God of creature, create the family. So this is a religious oriented theory. Third one, theory of promiscuous. This is a immoral theory, evolutionary theory. According to this theory, family in the beginning, the people living with immorally, there is no perfect relationship. In gradually evolutionary development, the family become created, morality, and become modern families. Fourth one, family has been created to fulfill the needs of man. As we have discussed, the family created to fulfill the fundamental needs. Abraham Maslow says that, primary needs. First, food, water, shelter, sex, and maternity. To fulfill these needs, family was created. For memorizing should be keep important words: historical, divine, promiscuous, need fulfillment. Then types of family or forms of family. On the basis of authority. Authority means power. First type, patriarchal family. Yes, Sandhana Janisha, Janisha? Sandhana Janisha, can you off the mic? I think travel. Okay. First type, patriarchal family. Patri means men, archal means authority. The man is authority of the family, which means men dominated family. Second type, matriarchal family. Matri means woman. Woman become authority of the family. Then on the basis of structure, matrilocal family. Matrilocal means they are living residence, living in wife house. Then patrilocal family, living in husband house. Third type, change residence. Not only husband family or not in wife family, may be living separately as nuclear families. On the basis of structure. Then on the basis of marriage, monogamous. One man marry one woman. Polygamous. Marry many women in your own family. Polyandrous. One woman marry many husbands or many men. Mono, poly, gamous, polyandrous. Students, the monogamy only legally accepted marriage. All other marriages are prohibited in India. Not allowed, not legally accepted. which means in monogamous. Detail we will learn the marriage. This is only family concern. Then on the basis of ancestry. Ancestry means known by generation by generation. Matrilineal family, the family known by a woman by generation to generation. Second, patrilineal family, known by father, basis of ancestry. Father by, for example, initial, or known by the father. Matrilineal, patrilineal. Based on dominance. Dominance means who dominate the family. Metronymic. Family ancestry is the name of the mother. Patronymic. Father. Father. Immediate. Father as well as mother. Conjunctual. Husband and wife living together. Consanguine. Blood relationship, which means married near relatives. Then other types, blended, extended, joint, nuclear. So students, mainly in the data collection concern, these families only concerned, mainly joint and nuclear families. So all other types are the sociological study only. For nursing data collection, only this matter only we should be think. Explanation about extended family. A group of relatives, those of 3 generations, living in close geographic proximity rather than same roof. Which means the family members living nearby, not living in same house but living in near. That is called extended family. For example, in a family, husband and wife living, the children are born and grow. After the marriage, children went to other house nearby. So that type of family is called extended family. Then blended family include children of previous marriage, one spouse or both. For example, husband or wife missing due to divorce or any other reasons. Then remarriage. After the remarriage, some children may be having and living with new families. So that type of family is called blended, which means the children's not their own, or they are from previous marriage. So that type of families are called blended family. This type of families we can see in our society, as well as maximum of families in our societies are extended families nowadays. Then joint family and nuclear family will be detailed about next sections. Okay, joint and nuclear will be detailed about next sections. Then functions of family. This is most important for examinations. A. Regulation of sexual behavior. And reproduction. B. Training of children regarding moral teaching, family norms. C. Division of labor. Every family members having their own duties and responsibilities, husband, wife, parents, etc. So every members work together to attain the family objectives. D. Primary group satisfaction. That means already we have discussed fulfill the fundamental needs. Functions of family according to Ogban. Affectional function. Means love and affection. Emotionally attached with each other. Second, economic functions. Husband and wife having a job or do some economic activity and money, improving wealth of the family. Material wealth as well as monetary wealth. Third one, recreational functions. Recreation means spending the leisure time usefully and productively. Fourth one, protection function, security. Every family members mutually protect with each other. Husband protect wife, wife secure their own husband, Then parents protect their own children, etc. Fifth one, religious functions. Every family have been following a religion, belief on God, and do religious practices, worship, prayer every day in family, etc. Sixth one, educational functions. Parents educate to children regarding family norms, moral teaching, and may using religious values. Etc. Then other classifications of functions, essential functions. Primary functions, love, affection. Primary or essential, okay? Food, water, shelter, sex, maternity. Non-essential functions or secondary functions, religious, education, economic, political. The political function means the members of family responsible to choose the political representatives. MPs and MLAs are selected by the family members to form government, to govern the society. Look at this family tree and members and the relationship is more favorable for nursing. Every care plan should be draw family tree. Then general functions. Psychological functions. Family members psychologically close with each other, which means they are feelings, perception, personality, intelligence. So these are the psychological factors influenced by family. Second, educational functions, as we had discussed. Third one, protective functions. Also we had learned. Fourth one, recreational. Fifth one, religious. Sixth, maintain status. This we should be discussed. Every family having values and status. So every family members work together, cooperate with each other to maintain their family status. Educational, cultural, economic, religious values, which is determine the status of the family. Seventh one, cultural functions. Culture means pattern of behavior, determine the how behave in the family. What are the materials used? Their belief, values, norms, then standard of materials, food habits, etc. Eighth one, social function. Social means interaction. Every family members having relationship. Look at this, the family tree shows that relationship. Family, head of the family, husband, wife and children, maybe 2 or 3 children. Joint family concerning the many families may be having. Many families and their relationship, which is called social function. So not only within the family, also the family how to interact with other social institutions, interact with religion and educational institutions, economic, occupation. So the family is function to create all other social institutions and promote, enrich social values. Then characteristics of family. Already we had been learned nature of family. Nature and character almost same knowledge is enough. Here I have given first character. The characteristics of family will be learned next class. So today I would like to next section discussion regarding today's class. What we had learned today. Look at this. The key point is that in highlights of today's discussion is that definition, meaning, nature, origin, types, functions, characteristics, etc. Students, this knowledge only basis of examinations, okay? When you use this knowledge, you can score maximum marks in the examinations. The nature of family should be explained about each points for 5 marks. The types of families most important for 2 mark questions. Most important for 2 mark. Functions of family frequently asked in 15 mark question, essay question. Essay question you can easy to write this and explain about each functions. Stuffy Jerry. Stuffy.
Yes, sir.
Can you list what are the nature of family?
Universality,
Okay.
emotional basis,
Yes.
limited size, formal influence, nuclear position, responsibility of members, social regulations,
Okay.
permanent and temporary.
Okay. Can you explain about emotional basis? Steffi, can you explain about emotional basis?
Emotional basis na
Yes, you can use Tamil as well. Okay, Tamil words you can use.
எமோஷனல் பேசிஸ்னா எமோஷ்னல்னா என்னன்னா கொஞ்சம் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க சம்திங் எல்ஸ் நம்மளோட அந்த இது வரும்.
Yes, love and affection.
எஸ் சார், லவ் அண்ட் அஃபெக்ஷன் அதை வந்து பேஸ் பண்ணி வர்றது தான்.
Okay, thank you, Steph. Yes, excellent answer. Thank you. It's wonderfully expressed by Steffi. Thank you for. Abhisha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you see in this slide? Read out.
Functional functions, economic functions,
Yes.
recreational functions, protection functions, religious functions, educational functions.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, students, I will be publish this lecture. Okay, everyone see repeatedly watch this one. Okay, the which help us to how to explain about each points and more favorable to understand about each points. Any more clarifications? Do you have any more clarifications? Anybody? Yes. Next unit test on population I will be organized on Tuesday, okay? Next week, Tuesday.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy the day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Subhita. Bless.